But tell only what you can speak openly. Don't. I will not ask personal questions.
Okay.
Yeah, and let us go through general points. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. Excuse me. What is your full name?
Ranjit DS, sir.
Acha. You are from which district in Karnataka?
Kodagu, sir. Kurg district.
Acha. Kurg district.
Yes.
Can you tell me something about your Kurg district?
Yes, sir. Kurg is famous for scenic beauty and tourist places. There are many tourist places such as Golden Temple in Kushalnagar, and Madkeri is famously known as a hill station of India, and Kurg is also known as Scotland of India. And there are some other tourist places are Raja Seat in Madkeri, Abhi Falls in Madikeri, in Mandalpatti in Madikeri, and in Somerpet, Kote Betta, and Malalli Falls are there.
Very
And
good.
it's
Acha.
and
You can talk in Kannada. I will talk in English. You can talk in Kannada. There is another person to watch you. Vishwas is also there in Kannada. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Now, what is the degree you studied before going for MBA?
BSc, sir. BSc in Physics, Maths, Electronics.
Pardon, Physics, Maths, Electronics.
Electronics. Yes.
Acha, what is meant by electrons? If you want to tell in English, you can tell. Otherwise, you can talk in Kannada also. What is electronics?
Sir, electronics, I'm not able to recall properly, but electronics is a study of electrons, flow of charges, flow of currents. So that is called as electronics.
Very good. You studied MBA in marketing and what?
Finance, sir.
Marketing and finance. Oh, super. So can I
Yes,
ask
sir.
basic questions relating to finance?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Please tell me the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping.
Sir, debit what goes out, credit what goes in, and
No, wrong. You are starting wrong. The 3 golden rules of bookkeeping is that, first of all, the accounts are classified as personal account, nominal account, and real account. In the case of personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit in the case of real accounts, debit what comes, credit what goes out. In the case of nominal accounts, debit all expenses, credit all incomes and gains. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Now,
sir.
please
Yes, sir.
tell me, what have you studied in MBA finance? Whatever things you are certain about it, please tell me.
Yes,
And
sir. I studied.
it must be related to banking also, preferably banking or insurance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I have
And
learned balance sheet and
I will give you 3 minutes time. You can talk whatever you want. You have learned.
yes, sir, in finance, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, I have learned balance sheet. So in that balance sheet, assets and liabilities columns are there. Liabilities also includes share capital. So in assets, there are current assets and fixed assets. Whereas similar to like for example, for current assets are cash and cash in hands, cash in bank, and any other assets which can be converted into cash easily. So fixed assets are furniture and buildings. Those are the fixed assets. And current liabilities are the cash we need to pay or bills payable. Those are the current liabilities. And I have learned ROE, the return on investment in finance.
What is that?
So
What is that?
So return on investment is what is when a person is starting business, he is planning in what year he will be getting break even. So in how many years he'll be getting break even. Return on investment is calculated as the total net profit divided by the investment he put.
Okay, that good.
Then,
Whatever you are certain, you speak to me. Good.
yes, sir.
Mm,
Then I
Can you
have
tell me?
learned like,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, balance of payment I have learned.
What
And
is that
about,
balance of? What is meant by balance of payment?
sir, balance of payment is a document which note which how to say, which records all the transaction of the country, such as incoming, such as export and import of the country.
Balance of payment transaction consists of imports and exports of goods, services, and capital, as well as transfer payments such as foreign aid. See, balance of trade means difference between exports and imports, whereas
Yes, sir.
balance of payment means it includes not only goods and services but also capital inflow, transfer payments, including foreign aid, etc.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You
Okay.
told this correctly. Now, any other thing you
Mhm.
studied? Any other thing you studied in finance?
Sir, about share capital and share market, I have learned.
Acha, very good, very good. Please tell me something about that.
Sir, equity shares are shares. The company's share capital is divided into small part of capital. So those are called equity share capitals. And paid up capital
Here,
is
no. Here for this question, you have to explain like this. SEBI is the authority controlling stock markets. The
yes, sir.
company's capital are divided into share capital. Company has got authorized capital up to which they can raise, and company has got, say, issued capital and paid up capital up to which it has been paid. Normally, shares are held in the value of rupees 10 per share, and the rate at which it is sold in the market is known as share market price, and
Yes, sir.
it is bought and sold through stock exchanges through demat account, something like that. And the famous two stock exchanges in India are BSE and NSE. Then you should explain about BSE Sensex, Nifty Sensex, and all that. Understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Good, very good. Now let me ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
What is negotiable instrument?
So negotiable instruments are the instruments according to Negotiable Act 1882. These are the instruments in bank and which can be negotiable, which can be, the value can be changed, such as cash, check, DD. Those are
Cash is
related to
not
bank.
cash is not a negotiable instrument. A check
Okay,
is a
sorry,
negotiable.
commercial papers.
A check is a negotiable instrument. Commercial paper is not negotiable instrument. A check is a negotiable
Okay,
instrument. A bill of exchange is a negotiable instrument. A promissory
okay.
note is a negotiable instrument. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you please tell us something about whatever you know about RRB?
Yes, sir. RRB Regional Rural Bank started first RRB started in 1975 according to RR Act 1976. So RRB's first paid up capital is 5 crore and the ownership is in the pattern of 50 crore, 50% in central government and 15% with state government and 35% with sponsoring banks. RRB has started with the recommendation of Narsimhan committee, and as of today there are 43 RRBs in India.
Not bad. Very good. You told nicely. Now, let me come to another question. What have you
Yes, sir.
come to know about priority sector? What is meant by priority sector? Why RRBs are giving more importance for this?
Yes, sir. Priority sector lending is a scheme of giving financial support or financial services to the sectors which are not which are untapped by the other financial institutions such as agricultural, allied services, or education or rural development. So the main focus of RRB is to empower rural area and agriculture. That is the reason RRBs are given main preference in PLC, priority sector lending.
What are the other sectors in priority sector?
Sir, education and allied services and education. Third is renewable energy.
Achha, please prepare on this. You are not fully thorough with this. Now, please tell
Yes,
me
sir.
5 northern India states and their chief ministers.
Northern India, okay. Sir, Punjab, Gujarat Man, Bhagawat Singh Man, and Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath,
Good.
and Haryana, Mr. Nitish Kumar, and
Haryana Nitish Kumar.
Uttarakhand.
What? Haryana Nitish Kumar? Bihar.
Bihar Nitish Kumar.
Sorry, Bihar Nitish Kumar. Yes. I'm confused between Bihar and Haryana. Yes.
It doesn't matter.
Uttarakhand.
Let me drop that question. Ask you, how many districts are there in Karnataka?
Sir, I'm not sure. It's 29, I think, sir. Not sure.
31.
31.
31.
Okay.
Who is the
Yes,
collector of Coorg district? Which is the lead bank in Coorg district? Doesn't matter. Like this, you must prepare and get to know full details. Let me ask some easy questions for you. Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Mr. Shaktikant.
Yes, very good. Who is the chief of defense staff? Hello. Just now we studied na Chauhan.
I'm not able to recall Mr.
Chauhan.
Anil
Yes,
Chauhan.
Mr.
Anil
Ajit.
Chauhan.
Anil Chauhan. Yes.
Anil Kumar Chauhan. Very good. Now, who is the president of India? Excuse me.
Sir, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the
Hello.
vice president of India?
Sir, Mr. Dinakar. Mr. Dinakar. Not sure his full name.
You're not full. What is his full name, Vishwas?
Jagdeep Dhankar, sir.
Jagdeep Dhankar. Good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will stop this live.